Wet your car.
Even though she has lotion on, but you know that I know the depends, you know, how long you spend in the sun. Wow, look at you.
Oh yeah.
Put it on your head.
Put it on your head. Yeah, like that.
Want mommy to wear it?
Come on, Chloe.
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm cow.
Oh, you are?
I'm daddy.
What you doing?
You washing the car?
Lauren.